Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to public your relationship status on Facebook. We'll walk through the simple steps to update your profile, ensuring your friends and the wider community can see your current relationship status. You'll learn how to access the correct settings, choose from several relationship options, and manage who sees this important life update. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete. First, let's get to your profile. Whether you're using the Facebook app on your phone or tablet, or accessing it through a web browser on your computer, the initial steps are quite similar. Simply open Facebook and navigate to your personal profile page. You can usually do this by tapping or clicking on your profile picture. Once there, look for the About section or an Edit Profile button to proceed. Now, let's update your status. In the Family and Relationships section, you'll see your current relationship status or an option to add one. Click or tap the small pencil icon next to it to open the editing menu. Here, you can select from a variety of statuses, such as single, in a relationship, married, or engaged. You also have the choice to add your partner's name and specify the year the relationship began. Finally, it's time to manage your privacy and save. Before saving, look for the Audience Selector icon, which often looks like a globe or two people. Click on it and choose Public to ensure your relationship status is visible to everyone on Facebook. Double-check your selection to confirm it's set as desired. Once you are satisfied, simply click or tap the Save button to finalize and apply your new relationship status to your profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.